I just have to give you one word, and you might not think it's something that you can eat, but trust me, you can. And the theme is rice. Today I'm doing an experiment and trying white rice or jasmine rice instead of using my normal brown rice. And the other thing is I'm eating too mad, and I like to shake it up a little bit from my original OMAD, 1 meal a day. So let's get into it and stop wasting time, right? What I'm doing is a low calorie density with my plant-based diet, and I'm about 90% plant-based, and I'm really enjoying it. You can find so many things that you can add into your diet by trying all the different types of vegetables and starches that are out there. So with today, I'm doing my 1/3 starch on the plate and 2/3 all vegetables. And that is what is going to give you a kick or a boost in losing the weight a little bit faster. So here we go. Mango is one of my favorite fruits, and that is very satiating, but also low calorie density. And then you have some rice, which would be your starch. Now remember, we're gonna do 1/3 of the plate, that would be starch, as well as putting in the greens. I just like to have my mixed greens that's ready to go. It's so simple, you just toss it in. And then I'm going to cut some onions. I think that would be fun. This is great fat, a nice clean fat for avocados, but if you're trying to lose amount of weight, then you may want to minimize this or just forego it. And also with the cucumbers, I do love my cucumbers, so we want to make sure that we're getting more high water content food into your meal. Of course, I'm just going to season, probably going to do my coconut aminos, which is so low in calories. And then also here, you can see that soy sauce is great if you like. It's only 10 calories per serving, which is 1 tablespoon. I may or may not do that, but I just thought I'd tell you the options here. Steaming your rice either on the stove top or in your instant pot if you have one. Today, I just microwaved it. Don't be afraid of white rice. You can just make sure your portion control in the plant-based world. And usually I do brown rice, but I figure I dress it up a little bit with the white today. Remember, you really want to make sure you're focused on what you're eating and be mindful of what's working for you. Listen to your body. It will tell you if you're on the wrong track. You'll know within 24 hours if you are or not. I weigh myself after I've changed my diet a little more than I should, because I know my coach would tell me not to weigh myself every day. When I'm trying something new, I need to see if it's adjusting properly, and then see if there's any tweaking that I need to do, maybe a little less of, say, potatoes or a little more of the veggies or whatever that is. You have to just try it out for yourself, because our bodies are different and it's always gonna need tweaking in what we put into our bodies. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, please do leave it below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.